If you are interested in hosting any kind of online event, or you are just interested to learn how to participate in joining online event you are being invited to, then you need to watch this video till the end, because I'm about to show you how to create any kind of online meeting and also show you how to join anyone if you are invited. So you will need the Google Meet app in order to create or join any online meetings. So once you are on the app, you want to first of all confirm that you are using the right email to create the meeting link you are about to create. So, and to create the link, click on this new tab you have here. So on this page, you have three tabs here, and these two tabs are the ones we'll be talking about, and because they are the one you can click in order to create a meeting. So the first one is about creating link. This tab will give you access to an instant link. It will generate an instant link, meeting link for you to share with any of your audience, and you too can easily click here to join and copy the link here and share with anyone you want to invite to this meeting call. So this is just a quick meeting you're about to create without any information about the meeting. So, and the second aspect is the scheduling aspect. This gives more detailed information about what the event is all about. What time is it going to take place? Where is it going to take place? Is there a location or any description and so on? So these are the things you have to fill in order to do this. So it starts with adding a title. So naming this event, tell them what this event is all about. Is it a birthday party? Is it an online extra classroom that you just want to use for a revision before exam? The next option here is still a confirmation of the email, just to be sure of the email you are using to create this meeting. Now the next day is to select the duration for this meeting. Is this meeting going to take a whole day? You tick this box so that it will not bring out the option for you to select time. But if it is not a whole day, a meeting cannot take on within a whole day, then you select the time. So if this event is just an hour event between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., then and you want to make sure you have the correct date here, then the next is to choose the right timestamp, and here we are making use of West African Standard Time. Then here, this option is where you can select, is this a repeated event? For the case of if it is an birthday party, you can always select for every year, because every year at this date on this time, by this time you want to always celebrate your birthday at that period. Or if it is a everyday event, maybe at work, or the same way we have an online class, if it is an everyday event, you select. But since for the sake of this training, I want to leave it like this. Now here is the aspect where you add the people you want to invite, your guests that you are inviting to your event, to your party, to your online class. So you can add them by imputing their email address. So by imputing their email address, just type and select. You can add as many people you want, as much as you want. You can always add. There is no limit to this number. Once you are done adding, you go ahead and click on done, and you will have the list of your guests here. Then going up, this is telling you that this is a video conferencing detail added about Google Meet. And the next option here is where you have to add a location. If this event, the online class you are about to create here, if it also have a physical location where the event is going to take place, you want to click here to add a location to it. And this will request to have access to your Google Map so that you can easily select your location for that event. So uh, then you can as well go back, and then the next option here is the reminder notification aspect. This is like sending a reminder if an event is going to start at 5 p.m. Then you want to set a reminder to your guest in order for them not to forget that they are having an event in maybe 30 minutes later. 30 minutes later, yeah. So this is what we have here. So this is a reminder, sending a reminder to them that in 30 minutes before that meeting, that they have a meeting in the next 30 minutes. That's just a reminder, just to be sure they don't miss that event. And you can add more than one reminder, like when it remains 30 minutes before the meeting, it sends a reminder. You can add another reminder again by 15 minutes before again. You can still add another one Just this is just to ensure that they don't miss the meeting you are inviting them to. And then next is to select a color. Is this event representing anything? So if there's any color that best represents this event, let's say if it's a birthday party and there is a dressing code for it and there is a colored that is personalized to the host, you can always add this to it and select from the list of colors you have here. And another aspect here is to add a detailed description about your event. So if it is an online class, you want to let them know the kind of thing they should expect to receive in this event and the kind of preparation you want them to do before coming to your event and so on. So, and lastly here is where you can add an attachment. Here you can add a picture, a picture that shows or represents the event you want to do. This could be a banner. This could be a banner for the event or a picture for the birthday party, for the host of the birthday party, and so on. And once you are done filling all of these details correctly, then you go ahead and click on save. Now, saving this will give this prompt notification asking you that do you want to send this invitation via email to the guest you have added to this event. So it is always best for you to send notifications to them. So now sending this to them, you can see you have a notification here telling me that there is an event between 5 to 6 p.m. right now. So, and this is how this event will always appear on your Google Calendar as the host and also the calendar of the guest you are inviting to this event. So this is all about creating meeting link and inviting people to the link to the meeting or event you created. So see you in the next lesson.